So, so the common condition and dental relevance is autism spectrum disorders, cerebral palsy, Down syndrome, epilepsy, hematologic disorders, congenital diseases. So we'll see it one by one. Autism spectrum disorder, a sensory sensitivities. So what is autism spectrum? Why it is called autism spectrum disorder? Because there is not a definite definition of autism, that this is called a definition. If child is having that this indication, and if these are sign and symptom, it is indication. It is a autism spectrum. It is a whole spectrum. Maybe one of us or maybe all of us have a autism. So there is one or other kind thing. Sensory sensitivity. It is called a sensory processing disorder, which is very common because a normal light of the chair is very normal for a normal patient, but for child with autism it is very disturbing that he get very anxious due to that, or maybe we are hugging that child, he gets very uncomfortable. It's called a sensory processing disorder because they cannot handle sensory overload. A routine, they have very different routine. Is we know the famous character of Jhilmil from Burfi. She where we doctor where Priyanka Chopra played very beautifully a character of Jhilmil, a autistic girl, and they have a very communication differences. So we have to adapt regarding that. The second one is cerebral palsy, a motor difficulty with oral hygiene, gingival trauma, and drooling. Down syndrome, one of my favorite syndrome, like it's called happy syndrome, or one extra chromosome, trisomy 21, and one extra chromosome, and you see an individual with Down syndrome, they are so happy always. So it's all you can also call it as a happy syndrome. Increased periodontal disease risk, microglossia and macroglossia, and delayed eruption. And maybe they also have oligodontia. Epilepsy, a seizure risk in clinic, medication side effect, and altered cooperation. And you also have to understand in these special healthcare needs cases that these children's been there, have spent their whole life in hospitals only. So where they're pretty damn done with the doctors. So they don't cooperate to you because